we're doing a closet clean out. We're gonna Marie Kondo the out of my closet. That means trying on items that I haven't really reached for in a while, seeing if it still brings me joy, if I still love it, and if I don't, we're either going to donate it or sell it on my Depop. For those of you sitting at home, if you've been meaning to clean out your closet and you just haven't, this is your sign. So let's clean out our closet together. I hate that this isn't even like half of my wardrobe. And now that I'm looking at it, I really don't want to do this, but this is why we're filming the YouTube video, to hold ourselves accountable. So as much as I don't want to do this, you guys have to do this with me. Let's dump this out. Okay. This is the clothes that I was just like, I don't even need to try this on because I know that I never reach for it and I'm never gonna wear it, but we'll dump it out anyways. Alright, let's get started. Hey everyone, voiceover Jessy here. Let's chat about why cleaning out your closet is a game changer. Last year, I hit a style slump. Weird, right? I'm all about fashion, but suddenly it was just me and my go-to sweats every day. I work from home now, running my own business, so who cares what I look like, right? Well, turns out I do. In the middle of feeling complacent, I forgot I've got someone important to impress, and that's myself. So I thought it was due time for a wardrobe clean out, and a deep clean at that, to start fresh and re-inspire me. Gotta look the part for this new chapter in my life, you know? Your closet is probably filled with stuff that you haven't looked at in years. Let's break it down. Look at each piece. Is the color right for you? Does it complement your skin tone? Does it fit well? Is it still your style, or is it something you wore once and forgot about? For me, I prefer a baggier fit and wider arms compared to a top that has fitted sleeves and make me look boxy. In terms of color, I found myself gravitating more towards darker colors like navy blue or a darker pink. I don't know if that makes me a fall or winter girly, but I just don't think that summer colors look good on me, and I don't know why I was trying to convince myself that pastel or yellows looked good on me, because they just don't. Imagine having a closet where everything looks good on you. No more clothes that don't match your vibe. Keep what fits, what you love, and what you actually wear. Quality matters too. Invest in stuff that lasts. Now let's address those pieces that you're still hanging on to, hoping that they'll fit again. Let's be real. If it doesn't fit now, it probably won't fit later. It's time to say goodbye to that piece. Letting go isn't just about the clothes, it's about making room for the things that matter. Your closet should evolve with you. Get rid of the old and make space for the new. Those jeans from 10 years ago, donate them. Tops you never wear, someone else will love them. Create space for clothes that make you feel good right now. Reinventing my style, part 2. I don't even know where to start. Let's get into part 2 of our wardrobe clean out, starting with pants. Oh boy. Trying on different pairs was definitely a testament to my own mental health. Some fit like a glove, others not so much. I have so many different pants, and that ranges from summer shorts, beach shorts, jean shorts, summer pants, winter pants, you get the deal. But as you can see here, I started off with my shorts first. I really liked most of my shorts, and most of them did fit, but the ones that I ended up giving away, I either didn't think that the color suited me, or they were a bit of a squeeze to put on. Some of these summer pants are also very much outdated, and yes, I did choose to give them away, but did I cave and keep some? Also yes, but don't judge me. Now we're moving on to denim pants. As you can see, I start off with these white pair of denim pants, and they do fit a little bit awkwardly, might I add, but they're my only pair of white pants, so I'm keeping them for right now. Next up, we have these pair of ripped skinny jeans, and they, to my surprise, fit like a glove. So I'm definitely going to keep these. And another pair of skinny ripped denim jeans. I'm definitely a baggy jeans girl now. I really don't like how these skinny jeans looked on me, and I especially don't like how some of my thigh fat was poking through these holes. Like, that's not cute. My last pair of denim jeans that I tried on are definitely way too tight on me, so I'm just going to sell them. And it sucks because, like I said, most of these pants are brand new and I just never got a chance to wear them. There was a lot of wiggling and squeezing going on for sure. And let's forget about bending over right now. It sucks because some of these pants were brand new. I just never got around to wearing them. And now they don't fit. Instead of stressing myself out about quickly losing weight, I've decided to be real with myself. I'm letting go, reselling them, and making room for jeans that actually fit me right now. Now it's time for the skirts. I've never been a skirt person, but turns out they look pretty good on me. I mean, I just felt like a fairy princess in this skirt. Can you blame me? Yes, it is a little tight, but that's nothing we can't work around if we have a fitted top with it, okay? I definitely found myself leaning more towards the A-line and flowier skirts compared to the bodycon fitted skirts. A-line skirts in particular complement my figure so well. It makes my legs look slimmer, my waist look smaller, and I'm just loving this fit on me. And lastly here, I'm trying on this black mini skirt that I haven't worn in forever, and I don't know why, because I look so good in it. Like, yes, confidence. Lastly, I'm trying on these two turtlenecks of similar style, but I wanted to see what color looked best on me, and I definitely like darker colors on me better. Next, let's talk about graphic tees. I have a soft spot for a good graphic tee. They're my go-to, my comfort zone, and I know, you see a bunch in this video, and I promise I'll eventually let go of most of them. It's not just about what's trendy or what everyone else is wearing. It's about what makes you feel confident, empowered, and uniquely you. It's about embracing the changes in your body, your preferences, and your lifestyle. So, here's the takeaway. Don't be afraid to let go of what no longer serves you. It's not about fitting into a mold, it's about finding pieces that fit your life right now. The process of reinvention is liberating. And rediscovering your style is like finding more confident versions of yourself that were hidden underneath all of those layers. It's about creating a wardrobe that's an authentic reflection of who you are. Whether it's saying goodbye to those graphic tees that have seen one too many laundry cycles, or embracing the freedom of pants that actually let you move, the key is to be kind to yourself. Style should be a celebration, not a source of stress. So, how are you going to reinvent your style? Guys, I think I might have been converted into a skirt girly again. I didn't realize how many skirts I had, and I never really reached for them because, again, struggling with self-confidence and body issues. But after trying on the skirts again, I'm like, wait a second, I look kind of good. I did get rid of a lot more clothes than anticipated, which was the goal. I have 3 trash bags full of clothes that I will either be selling on Depop or donating to Goodwill. I feel really great about that, and that leaves more space for me to thrift shop and find new pieces. I'm reinventing my style. I want to stay away from shopping fast fashion brands or brands that don't really have sustainability at the forefront of what they do. When I buy new clothing, I'm going to shop at Goodwill first and see if I can find some new pieces that'll just freshen up my wardrobe and help contribute to the pieces that I have now so that I can build outfits and restructure my style for my late 20s, early 30s. That felt kind of therapeutic, but I'm very tired now. If you're new here, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. My next couple videos will include how to thrift shop, how to start your own freelancing career, so it'll be a good time on this channel. I think that's all I have to say besides use today as your excuse to clean out your wardrobe finally. And definitely don't hold on to pieces that you've had from high school for more than 10 years. But that's all I have for you guys today. See you in the next one.